Stop wasting money. 3 Amazon PPC hacks that experts don't want you to know. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Okay, so tip number 1 is once your Amazon ads start to do well, you're going to slowly decrease the keyword bid, right? So let's look at these campaigns right now on one of the products, and we can see right here the cost per click is 4 cents. 4 cents. What cost per click on Amazon's 4 cents? You tell me. We got this one down to 4 cents with a 10% ACoS. It made $600, over $600 in the last 30 days. Not bad at all, right? So to get it down as low as possible, this used to cost almost $1 when we first started, and what we did is every week we would slowly decrease the cost per click, aka the keyword bid. We'd decrease it down 5 cents and see if it's still spent. If it's still spending money, we're going to decrease it again. We're going to decrease it again, and we got it all the way down to 4 cents, which is insane if you think about it, and that helped us get an ACoS of 10%, which you can't beat. You can't beat an ACoS that low. This one's 2%. This one has an 18%, 18 cent clicks. You can see all of these, all of our cost per click for all of our keywords are less than 20 cents, which again on Amazon is unheard of. In order to do that, what you want to do is you create the campaign, you run it for 30 days, make sure it's spending money. It's got to be a normal campaign. You're spending money every single day for 30 days. You're going to come into your campaign, click on it, and then you're going to slowly lower your cost per click down by 5 cents. 5 cents. When you get into the 20 cent range, you're going to lower it by 1 cent and see if it's still spending, right? The sweet spot for this one was 4 cents. Once we lowered it to 3 cents, it didn't spend. So 4 cents was the sweet spot. And again, we've got sweet spots for all of these. And of course, it's not set it and forget it. So you need to keep your eye on it. But this is one amazing way to, you can get tons of clicks and then your ACoS is going to be extremely low. So you can't beat that. Number 2 is campaign segmenting, right? Once you find a winning keyword, you're going to create it in its own campaign. It's going to be its special campaign, right? So if you're making a target, you're running automatic ads, you're running tons of ads, right, for multiple keywords, you want to find what is the number 1 keyword that's doing the best for your product, that has the lowest ACoS and is generating sales. You want to double down on that keyword, put it into its own winning keyword campaign. Don't add any more keywords. That's a winner, right? So what you're going to do is put the winners in the winning keyword campaign. Look, we named this exact rank 1 keyword win. This is a 1 keyword winning campaign, and it generates us, it's 2% ACoS. 2%. If we found 20 of these, we would be set. We'd be done. We'd be like, done with Amazon ads for this product. We're good to go. All we have to do is just monitor now. So all you have to do, technically, stop listening to the gurus and making all these crazy campaigns. Stick to the basics. Find the winning keywords. Research, test, find the winning keywords, put them in winning keyword campaigns. They all are separate. Once you have at least 5, 10, 15, 20 winning keyword campaigns that have a low ACoS, you're pretty much set. You can always add more and do more research, but that's what you want to have, is get these winning keywords so you don't have to stress about all these different Amazon techniques, and you can just keep it simple. And finally, number 3 is staying in stock. So when you run out of stock on Amazon, what happens is it hurts your rank and your ads get hurt as well, because the Amazon loves ads that keep running because they're going to show your ads at the top, things like that. But the thing is, when you run out of stock on Amazon and you ship more product into Amazon, Amazon's going to have your delivery time very late. So instead of 2-day shipping for customers, it's going to be like a week shipping or 2-week shipping. So you're going to get a lot of clicks and you're not going to get sales because the shipping takes forever. And that's going to hurt your ACoS and it's just going to have you waste money. So do your best to stay in stock on Amazon FBA to the best of your ability. That's going to increase your sales and decrease your ACoS, right? But that's it for today's video. Have you experienced success with Amazon PP strategies that weren't mentioned here? Share your tips in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, advertising, customer service, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon for hours on end just to fix an issue. Let us do it for you so you can save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.